So today we are going to discuss about page replacement algorithm. So first page replacement algorithm is first in first out. So here are some important points about first in first out page replacement algorithm. So it is the simplest page replacement algorithm. The second thing is a FIFO replacement algorithm associates with each page the time when that page was brought into memory. When a page must be replaced, the oldest page is chosen. Now the third point is we create a FIFO queue to hold all pages in memory. We replace the page at the head of the queue. When a page is brought into memory, we insert it at the tail of the queue. Now we understand this page replacement algorithm through an example. So here is the example. So in this example, we are going to find the number of page faults occur in the given reference string through FIFO with 3 page frames. So first 3 references 701 cause page faults and are brought into these empty frames. So first 7, so we box it. Second 0, so we copy 7, we take 0 and box it. Third is 1, 7, 0 and 1. Since the page fault occurs, so we box it. Now the other reference string is 2. So in this 7, 0 and 1, 7, 0 and 1, 2 is not there. So we have to replace one of these 3 with 2. As 7 is the oldest one, we have to replace 7. So replacing 7 with 2, and since the page fault occurs, so we will box 2. Next 0 and 1. And next string is 0. Since 0 is already there, so there is no page fault. So 2, 0, 1. Now the next string is 3. So we have to replace the oldest one. So 2 is not oldest one, 0 is oldest one. So we replace 0 and with 3 and box it. Now again 0. Which one is the oldest? 1 is the oldest. So 2, 3, we replace 1 with 0 and box it. Now we replace 2 with 4 and box it, 3 and 0. Now which one is the oldest? 3 is the oldest, so we replace 3 with 2 and box it, 0. Now 0 is the oldest, 2, 3. Now 4 is the oldest, so we replace 4 with 0 and box it, 2, 3. Now 3 is already here, so there is no page fault, so we have to write the strings as it is. Now 2 is also there, 2 is already there, so we write 0, 2, 3 here. Now 2 is the oldest, so we have to replace 2 with 1 and box it, 3. Now 2, so 3 is the oldest, so we replace 3 with 2 and box it. 0 is already there, so we no page fault occurs, so we write the strings as it is. 1 is also there in this reference string, so we write the string as it is. Now we have to replace 0 as it is oldest with 7, 7, 1, 2. Now 1 is oldest, so we have replaced 0 with 1 and box it. Now 2 is the oldest, so we have to replace 1 with 2 and box it. Now count the number of box to get the page faults. So page faults equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. Count the number of page faults goes to 15. Thank you for watching the video.